we're working in marbling, yeah? And marbling this year for us is really about taking color melting, right, in horizontals, and really now what we're starting to do is put it on verticals in different diagonals. So we're going to explain all of that. But the first thing we want to do is we want to bring it back to the art and what we do. Now, I don't know about you, but I never in my life thought I'd ever stand on a stage painting canvas. But I thought, you know what, let's start it different. Why not? And here's what we did. So the idea here is that we want to really show the idea of the whole melting. So let's bring Amanda forward. First off, what do you think? Do you like that?
Good.
Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. So Lenny, let's talk a little bit about marbling, and then let's talk a little bit about her formulas. What is marbling different for you? How do you see it happening right now?
So, you know, we always have to compare and contrast what the difference is between marbling and melting, yes? Like, so when we melt color, we want things to be really gentle in their transitions and blended, and oftentimes we put clear in between where the two colors meet. We can get these really soft, beautiful melts. When we start thinking about marbling, we start thinking about little less harmony in the colors and more negative and positive space. And what I mean by the negative space is what we don't color as important as what we do color, right? So we're going to bring out some models also that have even more marbling strength in the contrast of what we didn't color, and you can see what we left alone and where we placed the color, so you get that marbled feel.
So we're working with a few things. We're working with color sync, and we're working with a 3N, but what we're adding into that is a blue accent, so it keeps it in that hue. Hear the word I'm using, the hue of where we're going. A lot of cool shades, but we're also playing a little bit off that pink. So then we're working into all of our Soul Color Cult, and the thing about Soul Color Cult, it's brand new. It launched yesterday. We're a day old. It's amazing. Yeah, listen, I love that you love that, because it's a really cool thing. Now, here's why it's cool. Say, why is it cool, Chris? It's cool because it comes in semi-permanent, demi-permanent, and permanent. It's the first brand that's ever done it. So I think that's really important because for me and Lenny, what it does, and for all of us, is it puts creativity in our hands, right? And that's the important thing. Manufacturers and brands need to be putting the creativity in our hands because we're the ones that deliver the end result. Yes? Yes. So that is the beautiful thing about Soul Color Cult. And really for us, it's about the culture of Matrix as a whole. So, do you love Amanda? It's pretty fierce, right? Let's give her a big round of applause. Thank you, Amanda.
Thanks, Amanda.